Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your currency on ImToken application. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your currency on ImToken application, firstly go ahead and launch open your ImToken application. The home page of ImToken will appear on the screen. Click on My Profile option at the top right corner of the page. On the next page, tap on Settings. You will end up on the settings page of your ImTokens account. Click on Currency option. Choose the currency you prefer and tap on it. After you're done choosing your currency, click on Save. This is how you can change your currency on ImToken application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.